Hi, I'm Nick from AFE Power, and I'm here today to bring you the installation of the Scorcher Blue power module on the Nissan Armada. So real quick, let's go over what's included in the box. So inside the box, you're gonna find the instructions manual, your Bluetooth power module, the LED switch, and a bypass plug. You're also gonna find the wiring harness for the power module, a couple of zip ties, some double-sided tape, and some Velcro to mount the module. The only thing that you're gonna need for the rest of this install is gonna be a 10mm socket and a ratchet. So first things first, you're gonna wanna take off the cover to the engine. You can take it off just by lifting up on it and it'll come right off. So the sensors that you're gonna need to get to is located on top of the engine, on top of the intake manifold. And the second sensor that you're gonna be getting to is gonna be on top of the charge pipe. The one on top of the intake manifold is called a MAF Sensor, and the one on top of the charge pipe is called a MAF Sensor. For the MAF Sensor, to disconnect it, you're going to want to slide back on the blue locking tab, pressing down on the sensor itself, and remove it. Okay, you're going to take the female portion of the MAF Sensor harness, and you're going to plug that into the MAF Sensor itself. On the other end, where the male connector is coming out of the AFE power harness, you're gonna plug that into the connector itself. Make sure you put back the blue locking clip. For the TMAP portion, you're gonna wanna slide back the blue locking clip also, press down on it, and then remove. Next, you're gonna plug in the female portion of the connector into the sensor. Next, take the male connector of the harness and plug that into the OEM connector. Make sure to push back the blue locking tab also. The next step of installation is to connect the power and ground cables from the AFE power harness to your battery. You're going to use your 10mm socket and driver. You're going to disconnect the nut on top of the battery. The black cable is going to be your ground cable. Now that you work on the ground side of the cable, now you're going to hook up to the positive side. Following the installation of the power and ground cable to the harness, you're going to take your power module, you're going to plug that into the harness itself, and you're going to find a suitable location to mount it. So for our installation, we found the best place to install it is on top of the fuse box on the driver's side. Using the included zip ties, we're going to tidy up the wiring harness and make it nice and neat in your engine bay. So the way you tidy up your wiring harness doesn't have to be exactly the same as ours. You just find the best way to route it. So now that we completed the installation of the MAP and the TMAP sensors and also the positive and negative terminals, we're gonna put the cover back on. So the next step is to install the LED switch into your cabin. So you're gonna find a suitable place where you wanna mount the switch. Usually, we mount it right here, right next to the steering wheel. Take off the double-sided tape. Next, you're gonna route the wiring behind the steering wheel cover for a nice and neat installation. To route the LED wire, you're gonna go underneath the kick panel and you're gonna find a grommet leading out into your engine bay. This is where you will route the switch. So once you have your LED lead through the firewall, what you wanna do is connect it to the AFE power harness. So the Scorcher Blue also comes with a free Bluetooth app on both Android and Apple. Once you download the app, you can use it to change your driving modes, keep an eye on your boost pressure, your 0 to 60 time, and also your speed. So the Scorcher Blue power module adds about 71 horsepower and 88 pounds-feet of torque to the engine. This power module also fits the Infiniti QX80 and also the Nissan Patrol with the V6 3.5-liter twin turbo. So this concludes the installation of the Scorcher Blue power module. If you have any questions, please visit us at afepower.com, and thank you for watching.